Think of your mind like a camera picking up every sound around you. Stress, noise, pressure, it all gets registered. But what if you had a noise filter? Something that lowers the volume of everything that doesn't matter. You actually do. It's your attention. When you tighten your focus on one calm feeling or one clear intention, the background noise fades. It doesn't disappear, but it stops controlling you. Try filtering out one mental noise today. For more tools like this, subscribe.